The original vision for the artwork package on Brilliant Lady was pulling on some of the cues from our Brilliant Lady herself, our mermaid for this vessel. It's important for Virgin as a global enterprise to really find talent that is emerging or up and coming. And there was really no different to that thought when we were looking at pulling on different talents around the world to help us create the beautiful artwork that we have on board and throughout the vessel. Working with Indiewalls was a really easy selection when we were thinking about art consultants for our fourth ladyship, Brilliant Lady. We had worked together previously on a smaller scale with some of the other sister ships. And when it came time to really put our heads down, think about who we would like to work with for our fourth and final ship at this time, we thought, of course, let's start chatting with Indiewalls. The heart of our product is really our sailor experience. So we try to find ways to engage our sailors through our artwork. Together with Indiewalls, we put together such an amazing collection of different materials, mediums throughout the ship. This, of course, was on purpose. What are some of my favorites? One in particular, of course, would be the oversized spray cans that we have on each side of the ship. They're also purposefully painted green and red, depending on the side of the ship, which is meant to represent port side or starboard side. Another beautiful piece that I really do appreciate the way that it turned out is the piece behind me. The way that the wave curves and undulates within the existing niche is perfect. Something else that the curation of the artwork program does is it brings people together. Here we have on board is really a floating art gallery. So our sailors from all different parts of the globe get to experience and appreciate what we've placed here on board.